Welcome to my channel. This is a zx9r engine, F1, that I'm going to be rebuilding out of the later zx9rs. I bought a bike, an F1 bike, and the reason why I got the engine is because the guy gave me the engine because he took it out of that bike and put another engine in it. So I'm going to be he just basically said, do you want this engine? I was like, yeah, sure. So apparently it's a button end knock. He was just riding to the MOT station apparently, and it just started knocking. He said he checked the oil levels were fine. He didn't ride home, he got the AA, so hopefully there's not too much damage in there. However, if it does need a new crank, or any, obviously shells are going to need replacing, I'll just put another crank in there, because apparently the gearbox and everything is fine. Obviously as I'm turning it down, I'll check all that out myself. So I'm going to be taking the head off, the cylinder, breaking it from down below, taking all the bottom end, the gearbox off. I may even do the Z foul gearbox change if the gearbox is not okay, so it's a win-win. So yeah, I'm going to be doing part 1, 2 and 3 of this sort of thing, so not going to be doing a long video. So I'm going to return it down, see what's going on, and then obviously rebuild it back up again, and I'll do the videos as I go along. So if you're interested, please follow. I'm going to be doing it next 3-4 weeks of the tear down, and then obviously then put it all back together. So I'm going to keep this as a spare engine for my track bike. That's why I bought the other bike. Since then I've put it on the road because it was a street fighter, as I mentioned in other videos, and it still had MOT. So when it took me fairing off my track bike and put race fairing on, I decided to put the fairing on the F1 bike that I bought, and now I made it into a complete bike and not a street fighter. So yeah, so I got this engine, and I got various other, I got spare race fairing with it as well. So yeah, gonna be, yeah, so if you're interested, please follow. Thank you.